So here at Volo, we've finally got a nice stretch of weather. So today I am bringing you this absolutely gorgeous convertible. You are looking at a 2015 Corvette Z06 loaded with options. You got 2LZ interior, you have the carbon fiber aero package, carbon fiber interior package, and these beautiful chrome wheels. It's sitting at just around 10,000 original miles, and we did acquire this from the original owner. Now guys, if you want to see all our hottest new inventory as soon as it comes in, you gotta subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you click the bell icon, you'll get notified every single time our brand new videos get posted. We have some of the hottest inventory in the country. If you want to be the first to see it, make sure you subscribe. Now, to view our full inventory lineup of what we have currently, you need to visit volocars.com. There you can see all our current lineup, the new arrivals and incoming. It's all on our website. We have a couple hundred both modern muscle and classic cars. They're all for sale. Guys, we sell cars almost as quick as they come in, so if you want to keep up with what's up to date, visit volocars.com. Now this gorgeous Corvette is finished in what they call the Laguna Blue tint coat. This is easily my favorite color that Chevy came out with for these Corvettes. Look at this thing, it's just stunning. It's sitting on the 19 and 20 inch chrome Z06 wheels that were an added option. They do have, they are wrapped in the Michelin Pilot Sport tire, so you got very sticky tires on the back that are gonna grip to the road and put down all that power. This has all the carbon fiber aero package on it. So you get this beautiful rear Z06 spoiler with the high-rise winglets on it. Love the styling of that. I love the LED taillights on these. All this is finished in the carbon flash metallic as well. Same with the lower portion of the bumper. Then you have your polished quad-tipped multi-mode exhaust on here. Man, this thing is just slick. I can't stop staring at it, guys. Neither can you probably. So all this is beautiful. There is a slight scratch on the side skirt over on the passenger side. I'll point it out. So there's a scuff just right on the edge of it. You really can't see it unless you're bent over like this looking up close at it. I love the Z06s just because of the wide body styling on them. They do a wide body fender and rear quarter on them, and those are all separate panels. Now I was talking about the aero package, so this does have the carbon fiber package. Keep in mind, these are made out of carbon fiber, but they are painted in the carbon flash, so it doesn't have the visible carbon fiber, but they still are carbon fiber. The LED daytime running lights look very slick on this car. That whole L-shaped or hockey stick shape right here, they light up orange for their turn signals. They just do they did a really great job styling these Corvettes. They also added the very nice styling vented grill area on the hood. That's also painted in the carbon flash. The convertible top, guys, it is the black soft top. That is in beautiful shape as well. There's no tears or scratches or stains, anything like that on it. We did acquire this from the original owner. He babied this car, occasionally took it out. Since 2015, he only put 10,000 lightly driven miles on it. He said that he never had an issue with this car, and he was sad to see it go, but he wanted to enjoy something else now. But let's take a look inside. Now on the interior, you are looking at a very well optioned inside. This has the 2LZ premium interior, so it's still all nice and Napa leather, but we have the upgraded highly desirable competition seats in here. These things are gorgeous, they're very comfortable, they're lightweight, and they look killer in this car. This also does have the visible carbon fiber interior package on it, so it's a visible carbon fiber overlay. He did add performance data and video recording on here, which was a $2,000 option. So that's one of the differences that you don't get with the 2LZ versus the 3LZ. However, he added it on top of it, so you still have it. This also has heated cooled seats, head-up display, all the power option you want, like a tilt and telescopic steering wheel. You have your dual climate control, as well as the Bose premium surround sound stereo. So this thing has all the options you'd want, as well as being a 2LZ. Now this also does have the 8-speed automatic transmission with the optional paddle shifting on it. So if you want to have some fun, you throw it in manual, you can use the paddles that are connected to the steering wheel, which is kind of nice. I like them on the steering wheel versus the steering column. That way if you're turning, you still have them at your fingertips while you're turning the wheel. Kind of easier to use. In the center here, you have your mode select. So this does have the magnetic ride control, guys, with multi-mode selects on it. You can change it from touring mode to sport mode to track mode. So you're going to soften or stiffen the suspension, as well as open or close the multi-mode exhaust on it, depending how you want to drive. So this thing does pack a punch, 650 horsepower, 650 pound-feet of torque. And they have that nice Z06 badge right here in the center console to remind you that. So this thing's no joke. You can cruise it, but you can also hurt a lot of feelings on the road. So we have 2 sets of key fobs for this car. You can push the button on the fob to pop the trunk. Inside, guys, we have a nice premium fitted car cover that comes with the car. You have the front license plate bracket, but that's never been mounted. I would hate to drill holes in that front bumper, just ruins the look. We have the locking wheel lug key right here, as well as the Corvette battery tender. So all this stuff comes with, you don't have to purchase it separately. And this thing had a whopping $101,000 MSRP on it. So he added all the stuff that was very nicely optioned for this car that comes with. All right, now what we've been waiting for. You are looking at the LT4 6.2 liter supercharged V8. This engine bay is immaculate, guys. Again, 10,000 miles on it. It looks like it has 1,000. This thing puts out 650 horsepower, 650 pound-feet of torque. Made it to that 8-speed automatic transmission with manual shifting. You can tell this thing was very well cared for. Original owner. What else could you want out of this Corvette? All right, so that was my impression on this beautiful 2015 Laguna Blue 2LZ Z06 Corvette, guys. Again, the carbon fiber aero package on the exterior, the carbon fiber visible package on the interior, 10,000 original miles, competition seats, everything you'd want. I've been 2 for 2 on the last C7s I brought in. I think this is going to be 3 for 3. The other 2 went very quickly. I don't see this one lasting long, so if you are interested in purchasing it, visit volocars.com. There, if you click the Buy It Now button, it'll secure a refundable deposit on this vehicle. It'll shoot us an email with your contact information. We can help set up financing and shipping. It's super easy. We can get this car delivered right to your driveway. Visit volocars.com. Or you can call us, ask for me, Caleb. I'd be more than happy to talk over the car some more with you. We can also go over financing and shipping options that way as well. Thanks for checking it out.